It's Easter Sunday, 2025. But for some of us, it doesn't feel like spring. It feels like winter in our hearts. Dead dreams, broken relationships, hidden sins. But resurrection means this: God brings life where man sees only death. In John 11, Jesus comes to the tomb of Lazarus. Mary says, "Lord, if you had been here, my brother would not have died." But Jesus doesn't panic. He doesn't rebuke. He weeps, and then he calls, "Lazarus, come forth." He didn't say, "Rise if you deserve it." He simply called. And Lazarus walked out, grave clothes and all. That's the power we proclaim today. The voice that called Lazarus is calling you out of depression, out of bitterness, out of shame. This is not religion. This is resurrection.